listened to a true crime podcast, but I couldn't help but bring in our experience of like talking to a murder victim's mother and thinking about how she would feel if her daughter was being spoken about in such like a lighthearted manner. And just like having that experience personally made it really hit home in terms of what this does to like victims' families and what it is actually doing to how the general public views tragedies like this. So I think that is really what is driving us to do the opposite of that.
And I couldn't even imagine telling her story now in an entertainment sense. So what we're doing is, we're being incredibly journalistic about it. We're being very sensitive about it. We're approaching this with as much professionalism as anybody would in any case.